Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Fairy Tale family, where our goal is to put a little bit of magic into your everyday. I'm Chelsea, and today we are bringing you our almost end of summer vlog series. So we've been documenting our summer together, trying to provide you and my family and ourselves with as much summer magic as we possibly can. And after this one, there's one more left, and there's going to be a surprise in that one as well, so stay tuned for that next week. But for today, we wanted to share with you what we did in this week of magical summer memories, and it's one of the last sticks that Callie has to pull out of her summer magic jar. So we have a few more to go, and we're gonna make them happen before the end of the season, but this was one that she was particularly excited for, and it's something we've never done. I feel like I say that in every summer vlog, like, oh, we've never done this before. Like, we had never had a family game night. That will be linked above. We'd never had an ice cream party. So this follows that same trend. It does feature my nieces, like most of these videos do. So without further ado, let's get into this week's summer magic. Hello, everybody, and welcome to another magical week, right? Mm-hmm. What did we do this past week? What was our stick?
Family game.
Family game night, and that is currently up, you know where, on YouTube. We right now only have 4 sticks left. Now that doesn't mean we can't make more, but we want to get through the sticks that we did create before we make more. So I'm gonna read them to Callie and you so that you know what we have left, okay? Go kayaking. Do you know what a kayak is? You do? Okay. Have a picnic. Ooh. Fly a kite. And eat a fancy dinner al fresco. Okay. I'm gonna hold these like this so that everybody can see, and Callie's gonna pick the one for the week. Which one?
This one.
That one? Have a picnic!
That's what I wanted.
Yay! So we'll have to figure out when the weather's gonna be good, and we'll plan a little picnic.
This is what I wanted, so we could have it at the farm.
A picnic at the farm?
Yeah.
That sounds awesome! What a good idea! We'll have to invite some friends, some cousins, and we'll pick a day this week that's gonna work. And the weather will have to be nice. It can't be like it is right now. Rainy. But that's okay. This is very exciting. We have a picnic basket too that's really cute.
What is it? What
What do you mean, what is it?
What is the picnic?
It's just a basket. We'll fill it with all kinds of yummy things. You know what day it is. First, I went to the pool this morning. Okay, it's monthly cleaning Wednesday today. So once again, just a reminder that if you have the resources to get your home professionally cleaned, it will change your life. You can see how wet the floors are. She just left and I just got home, so perfect timing. But oh my word, the cleanliness. I was walking up to the house and it just smelled so clean even outside. So I will link the handy resources. I'm not an affiliate, in the description box, but just a reminder, you are worth what it costs to get your home cleaned if you've ever been on the fence. Yay. Hello, friends. I know. Callie's emptying our picnic basket, and I am gonna get our picnic lunch ready to go. So I wanted you to see what we were gonna make. Callie, what did you request for picnic lunch? Fruit salad. So we're gonna start with that.
enough.
You are tall enough. We're gonna make some
This is
ants on a log.
here.
Nope, she's gonna meet us at the farm.
Mm.
Do you want to get the chocolate chips? I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do. Here, why don't you come sit on the stool over here? So, I'm just gonna take some chocolate chips. Put them in here. And this is called ants on a log. You can do little raisins too. Like that. Okay? And then we're gonna put them right in this Tupperware. Okay? Here, I'll get another one ready for you. Good job. See how they kind of look like ants?
Yeah. Tupperware.
This is the Tupperware. You put it right inside.
What did this called?
Ants on a log? Is
Mhm.
that what you were saying?
Yeah.
Like your song. Well, yeah, I probably won't use that many, but. Hey, you want ants in your mouth?
I'm eating chocolate chips in the morning.
I know you are. All right, keep going.
It's on a log.
Dum, dum, dum.
It's on a log.
It's a beautiful day for our picnic, right?
Well, that's why I wanted to go on picnic.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Whoa!
They're standing
Those are
up.
standing up ants. That's fun.
And it's on the log. Dum dum dum.
I think I'm gonna have some cheese and crackers too with hummus.
Dum,
Does that sound good?
Dum dum dum.
Good job.
It's on the log. Dum dum.
Here, there's more ants right here.
This one is standing sideways.
Would you like to be able to bring these to Cozy Kids this year too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dum dum dum.
I have to find the top that goes to that Tupperware basket. Good. So Callie has packed our picnic basket. We have water. Oh wait, we have a blanket. Hey, I need to see inside so I can show everybody. We've got our ants on a log, veggie sticks, Callie's cheese, my lunch, Callie's fruit salad, a pouch. Did you also want to pick out a piece of candy to bring? Okay, one. So this is our picnic basket.
Paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh my gosh. You're hungry? Your mama just went to go get your lunch. Callie, can I see
Me
your...
and Golly both got scissors.
You did?
And we got crab.
And Remy too?
We got crab.
You got crab. All right, can I see your fruit salad too? Okay, ready? Want to do it again?
Rock,
paper, scissors, shoot. Ooh, everybody has rock, which is a snowman, right? You stack your rocks on top of each other.
Let's do it. I mean, snowman.
Snowman!
Kelly, you want to make a tall one?
rock on top. Yeah. So what I will say about an outdoor picnic with 3 children under the age of 5 and 2 babies is that sitting at a table is easier. Okay, I said it. Sitting at a table is easier, but Callie really wanted the authentic picnic on the ground with a blanket experience. And so that's what, you know, it's her stick. That's what we gave her. It was cute. Packing the lunch, I think, was like the best part. She got so much say in what went in the picnic basket. And obviously she loves the farm. We've spent a lot of time at the farm this summer because of the animals and picking fruits and vegetables. It's a great, safe outdoor space for us. So it's somewhere we frequent at least once a week. So it makes sense that we would have a picnic there. So I hope this is something that you and your family might think about doing as well. You could have a picnic outside in your yard, right? You could have a picnic inside on the ground with blankets. We do that in the winter time. But really it's just about like changing up the routine of how you have a meal. I mean, even when we pack a lunch to go to the beach, she always eats more at the beach, on a picnic, when we give her choice and kind of like an alternative setting. Key to parenting, switch it up? I don't know, depending on your kid. So I hope this was helpful and enjoyable for you to watch. Stay tuned for next week, and we will see you in our next video. Bye, friends.